one. All right, guys, here's an update on our setup here. Let's see if we can get a cool shot here. Yeah. All right, we got some monitors. You can see they're mining away. And it's looking pretty good. I really like the wiring here. That could be cleaned up a tiny bit, but come on, you don't have to be too crazy. And then we got another monitor here. We got to figure out a third monitor, or get a switcher.
Which we looked into, and that's actually a lot more expensive than what we thought. So we were like, yeah. We're very frugal. This is about making profits, not about...
Exactly.
We're not trying to be YouTube cool, is what, you know. I don't care about the likes, comments,
we want to make the most money. We don't... Yeah. So, I mean, it's not that hard to just take the wire and switch it if we need to. Especially because Simple Mining has the console. You can see this one only got 3 cards going, but these guys are full. Actually, I think technically we could get 1 more, but it's good.
Pushing it, yeah.
Yeah.
Leaving it at 12 is pretty good.
But they're running. You can see we got all different types of cards. So these things... Alright, I'll say this. When we were using these old ASICs here...
The Dragons.
Yeah. Those guys... They had more issues than these GPU rigs do. These ones, they run like clockwork, and
surprisingly well.
Yeah.
Actually, really surprisingly well.
It's just...
Our experience as miners has always been to fiddle and fuddle around with these things.
Yeah, you got to babysit them. You always have to be there.
I was surprised on how little babysitting. I think I've rebooted these a couple times. Mostly because if you watched one of our older videos, the GPU fixating, or whatever you were calling that, you were testing each GPU.
Oh yeah. I was testing them, so you crash them, and then you gotta.
But very rarely will you crash them. I mean, every so often. You'd be like,
usually, hey, when you crash it overclocking, it just says it's not responding that GPU, and then you just change the setting. Every now and again, it'll crash the rig, and then it'll come and fix it up. But yeah, it's good, looking good. These. I totally recommend getting the high quality PSUs. I've seen on Reddit people using cheap ones, and the actual cord melted inside there. And
so the one thing that I notice almost instantly, and we've built a lot of computers, is that this is beefy. I have never seen a PSU with such a beefy wire.
Yeah.
And that's why we're going right in, because what I want to do is put them in one of the grow tents and use that kind of as our cabinet. But I didn't feel comfortable using extension cords that I currently have, and they don't fit perfectly.
So you can see right here, this is for the monitor. This is what you normally have. And these wires, and they do the 220, which is that, so, yeah. All right, we got no cooling going on. 74 degrees in here. And it's actually not bad. I would have expected it to be a lot worse.
So there's the update of our mine. And hopefully next time we see it, we'll have more cards in.
Yep, keep growing it every day.